The China-aided project of the permanent headquarters of the economic community of West African states began construction on Sunday in Nigeria's capital Abuja. The new headquarters building will enable the regional bloc to operate in one complex instead of 3 locations. Officials from the Chinese embassy in Nigeria, state leaders from Nigeria, Guinea-Bissau, and Sierra Leone, as well as President of the ECOWAS Commission, attended the groundbreaking ceremony.
To sponsor and construct the new ECOWAS headquarters is a vivid reflection of China's support to the work of ECOWAS, as well as the traditional friendship between China and the West Africa countries. We will continue to promote the common development of China and Africa, and are ready to make new contribution to the building of the China-Africa community with a shared future in the new era.
The building represents the 380 million West African citizens and will remain a befitting edifice to the region and the continent. The new complex will represent the unity and brotherhood of the member states, as well as signify a recommitment to process and regional integration. It will be our home and a regional rallying point.
It was therefore considered necessary to have a modern, fit-for-purpose office accommodation that will enable the Commission to accommodate all its staff in one location, which hopefully will result in operational efficiencies, reduced costs, and increased productivity.